before I start the video, I just wanted to shout out my friend from Briantooley Electric for really helping me out and getting this cam done in the time frame that I needed it done. So yeah, here's my boy Adrian.
We're here at Requied Electric. We just finished this fool's Will's cam. It's 5.3, and now we're doing this one as well, engine work and air suspension. But anything you need for automotive needs, mechanical, electrical, modifications, performance, air suspension, you name it, just let us know. We're here in Bellflower, California, off of Landra and Lakewood. Our number is 562-925-6027.
Got the last piece of the puzzle right now, so time to go drop it off and start working on it. Alright guys, so I got everything for the cam now, and we're on the way to my my buddy's shop where we're gonna basically, he's being really cool and he's letting me do it, and we're gonna do it after hours so we can do everything together basically. So yeah, here's the start to camming my truck. Alright guys, so the truck's here at the shop, Briantooley Electric. They got a sick square body right now that they're fixing the airbags on, but right now we're gonna move some cars around, get my car settled in, and start taking it apart, starting to get ready to put the cam in it. Guys, so it's the next day, we're finally getting to it, so we're gonna start. What are we doing, Adrian, right now?
Alright, so we're gonna start basically just from the bottom. Start from the bottom, coolant, exhaust, to the radiator, then we'll move over to the intake and everything in the front, and then the heads as well.
So yeah, I'll keep updating you frequently, and then I'm gonna see if I can set up like a time lapse right now. Alright guys, so the radiator's out. I fucked up putting the lip on and leaving it on. I should have took it off because it pissed everywhere. So what's next, Adrian?
Probably just take off the accessories.
Okay.
Right here, everything in the front.
And then it's time to
go from there.
The Valkyries are off. So what's next? Oh, we also got the headers off. So at this point, I think it's time to take out the heads, right?
No, rocker arms.
Rocker arms and then the heads.
Yeah.
So we'll get to it. What's just the bottom ones now? One side done. Alright guys, one head's off. Time to do the other one, and then go get the head sent off and put new springs in it, and maybe do the cam today or not tomorrow. We'll see. So we're struggling a little bit getting the bottom bolts because the header's in the way. So it looks like we're gonna have to. There's like a spot weld holding the whole exhaust together. So he's gonna go grind it down. Then we can take off the head, and then yeah, I think from there send these out. Everything looks pretty good. Doesn't look like there's any cracks or anything. So from here, send them out, and then I don't know if we're gonna do the cam today or not, just depending on how much time we have left. So yeah, so far a freaking lot of progress for only 2 hours of work. So yeah, thanks Adrian. Header's out. Time to get this head off. As we got, so I gotta go do some stuff. So I don't know if they're gonna get to camming it today or not, but they're gonna send me video. So yeah, thanks Adrian.
Wow, man. New cam is in, and then here is the old cam. The new cam is installed, the old cam is taken out. All we need is the lifters, and then we're ready to install the heads.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I finally got to come back. I was busy, but Adrian got the cam pulled out and the new one put in, so, and the heads got basically done up and redone, and they got the new valve springs put in. So yeah, at this point it's just kind of time to reassemble everything. So hopefully we get that done today, and then I have a tune on Friday and we'll make it to good, guys. But so far so good. Everything's looking sick, so we'll get to it. Alright guys, so the lifters are going in, the valley trays, the new valley trays on. That's what you call it, right?
What? This?
And then yeah. So now just throwing the lifters in, and what's next? The lifter trays and then heads.
Yeah.
And then we're starting it. These are my new, well, they're not this new heads, but they're the same heads. Basically, they got new springs and they got resurfaced. Here's the old ones. So yeah, I got the new Briantooley 560 lift beehive strings. So yeah, pretty excited. Shit, I'm excited to hear it go. I'm right now about to go siphon the gas out of it because I was running 87. Put some 91 in it, and yeah, hopefully get it started today. Gonna break. I'm gonna get something to drink real quick, but I thought I'd just stop and say, come to Pro Auto Electric. Your boy Adrian will do anything, performance, anything. He can do everything. So if you need anything like a cam or just basic repairs or something like that, or maybe even tuning, which he wants to get into soon, I'll leave the link in the description to their phone number and their address, and yeah, hit them up. So gaskets on. Whew, it's almost time to put the heads on. One head is on. Going to torque it down, then get the other head on and torque that down, and then I can get some manifold, and then all the stuff that goes on the manifold, and then front accessories, and then we can start it. Gaskets on the intake, valve covers and everything's all back on the heads. So intake on, and then I guess it's front accessories and start it. Alright guys, it's an engine again. Intake's on. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna finish tonight, but finish tomorrow. And I don't know, maybe we might try and start it tonight. Just depends. Alright guys, intake's on. We're gonna call it a night. So tomorrow she runs. Alright guys, so it's the next day and Adrian kind of just went and buttoned everything up. So it's like ready to start. Well, it's ready for a tune. I'm gonna start it so you guys can hear it before the tune, and then I'll have another video of us tuning it. But yeah, so shout out to my boy Adrian at Pro Auto Electric. And yeah, listen to it. All right, so the truck sounds sick. I love the chop. Hopefully, it still sounds that good after we get it tuned, or even better, probably. But yeah, I got to get it tuned on Friday this weekend, and then I should make it out to Good Guys this weekend on Sunday out in San Diego. So yeah, looking forward to it, and I should be meeting up with Craig and Michael from About Horsepower. So yeah, stay tuned.